Hey, what's up? In this video, I want to tell you about waterproof power bank from NOVOO company. I have never seen waterproof power banks, so I'm very excited about it. This is 10,000 mAh power bank with IP67 standard, built-in LED flashlight and fast charging support. The price of power bank is only $26. The link to Amazon will be in description under the video. As usual, let's start the review with unboxing and then look at design and main features of this power bank. This is the box of NOVOO Explorer 10,000 mAh power bank. You can see the image of power bank and main features on the front side, such as convenient portability, built-in flashlight, dual device charging and IP67 waterproof. On the back, there are other features of power bank and specifications. Inside the box, you will find user manual, charging cable, power bank, and even stainless steel carabiner. The manufacturer says that this is a compact power bank, but I cannot agree with it. Compared to the previous power bank, mAh's Slim Pack 10,000 mAh, this one has a thick case. This is because NOVOO Explorer power bank is waterproof and shockproof. The dimensions are 140 by 71 by 17 mm. The weight is 225 grams. The body is made of soft plastic, so the power bank is not afraid of shocks. There is even a rubber hook in the corner, so you can use a carabiner from the package and put the power bank to backpack. It is very convenient. The power bank has company logo and 4 LED lights on the front side. Also, there is power button on the side face. The flashlight is at the top. All the ports are hidden under rubber plug. NOVOO Explorer power bank has USB-A port and USB Type-C port. You can use both of them to charge other devices, but only USB Type-C to charge power bank. Okay, let's talk about main features of this power bank. As I already said, the main feature is waterproof, shockproof and dustproof design. You can immerse the power bank under the water up to 1.5 meters. Of course, you cannot use the power bank under the water and charge other devices, because the charging ports should be closed in the water. The next feature of power bank is a built-in flashlight. It is must-have thing in traveling. The flashlight offers 45 hours of use. And the last feature of NOVOO Explorer power bank is 18 watts fast charging support. You can charge the battery of iPhone X up to 50% in 30 minutes. The full battery charge of power bank takes 4 hours using USB Type-C port. By the way, I should say that NOVOO Explorer power bank is compatible with all USB devices, including smartphones, tablets, earphones, smartwatches, etc. NOVOO Explorer 10,000 mAh power bank is must-have device for traveling. It has waterproof and shockproof body, carabiner, built-in flashlight, USB Type-C port, and fast charging support. If you need power bank for everyday life, then I recommend to watch our video about mAh's Slim Pack 10,000 mAh power bank. It has the same battery capacity, but a very thin body and one more charging port. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.